Go. All right, Mason, what's going on, man?
Hey.
All right, so we have these three pieces right here, and this is for our 2026 on the Prelude. Now, Mason is our engineer here, in-house engineer. Mason, give us like a brief talk about these three pieces right here, man, and what they're made for.
This is the front lip for the Prelude, three-piece kit. And they just go together to form the whole front lip for the car. You see they go on. It's pretty much self-attached to the car already with all the OEM holes.
And this goes the same thing on this side, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this is sorry, that's the passenger side, guys, and this is the driver's side right here. We're gonna go ahead and have this dropped off at one of our friends in Burlingame. They own a body shop called Hanson Autobody, and they're gonna sand this over, paint match the color to the Prelude's Boost Blue. So really excited to see this. Are you excited to see this? All right, cool.
3D printed, so
Yeah,
we'll see how that turns out.
exactly. Yeah, of course.
Let's get into it.
Alright guys, it's a little bit windy, but it's all good you guys right now. So we don't have any rear diffuser in there, so you guys can see. Now, in the next few days, our good buddies at Hanson's Autobody Garage will help us out. PLM front lip for the 2026 Honda Prelude, and also for the rear diffuser. So this will be the last time this car will look like this, or this car's front end will look like this. We are now here at the Hanson's Autobody Collision. The owners of Hanson Autobody are good friends of PLM, and today they're going to help us out with all the sanding and all the painting and paint matching of our 2026 Honda Prelude. All right, guys, so this is day 2 here at Hanson's Autobody Burlingame. Guys already prepped our front lip for the Prelude. How they look like right now. Johnson's right there, filming for the short films. They've already pre-sanded this, same as the rear diffuser right here. Really excited about it today. It's freaking hot. Right, Johnson? It's hot.
Fine and sand it down to be smooth.
Yes, exactly. This body shop is known for being accurate and also at the same time really flawless and quality when it comes to giving the quality, the best quality out of all the pieces and all the things that they're doing here, man. So highly recommend Hanson Autobody here in Burlingame, California. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are going to be installing new 2026 Prelude front lip from PLM and also the rear diffuser. Let's get into it. Tomorrow? Let's do the last one.
Where put this in?
This is why you don't live in...
I picked. Actually, it's my girls. Okay, it's right here. That's my first. I literally told my girl that.
Remember me? He always laughs at me.
Probably next time it's like a couple.
It's satisfying.
This is same too.
Oh, that looks good, dog.
Look. Damn, that looks good. Here we go. All right, guys. So just a quick update here. We've finished with the front lip of the 2026 Prelude. Now it looks like that. Since we ran out of a few tools such as double-sided tape and self-tapping screws, we are going to postpone the rest of the installs for today, and we are going to continue this tomorrow morning once we get back, and we should have all the things that we need. But what do you guys think so far of our PLM front lip for the 26 Prelude? Comment down below if you guys dig it, or comment down below if you guys don't like it. But I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys will actually like it. Look at, ooh, this side is so aggressive, bro.
Oh, we can't go on test track.
Ooh, the new front lips look so good, guys. Ooh. This is our 2026 Honda Prelude's new front lip from PLM, Private Label Manufacturing. And we just want to give a big shout out to RJK Dynamics and also Hanson Autobody for helping us out getting this front lip painted and at the same time getting installed, man. So if you guys are interested in any of these parts or any PLM parts that we have, give us a call at 650-877-7788. Again, that's 650-877-7788. Or if you guys don't want to call, you can always email us at sales@privatelabelmfg.com. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode, in which we will be putting the rear diffuser and some goodies as well in the 2600 Prelude. See you. Bye.